We are in Burlington and it's raining. Nice. That was a great restaurant. Here is the campsite. We just haven't laid out the sleeping bags yet, but got the tarp hung. It's nice and high, so we're not gonna have to be crouched under it too bad all weekend. The tree situation wasn't ideal, but we made it happen. All right, so I am approaching the Deception Pass Bridge. I've only been here once before, so this is the second time I've ever seen this bridge. This thing is pretty crazy. Let's check it out. Look at those crazy currents. All the spirals. Because it's so narrow here, they get really intense. Probably don't want to be kayaking down there. Okay, so this is crazy. When we showed up, this duffel bag was here in the woods. There's not much in it. Some like super stinky, kind of homeless smelling supplies in it. There is like a burner in there and I think maybe a bong. So weird. But then we later noticed zip ties. So being a horror fan, I'm thinking murder, of course, or kidnapping. I just now was rummaging for wood and I noticed this. An entire tent sitting out here with the bag that you put it in. Not set up, just kind of hidden in the woods. I feel like there's been a murder in our campsite. Very dark. All right, so we've been hiking around all evening. It is now dark and freezing cold. We got a fire going though. We're hiding under the tarp. I've got some ouzo. Smoke in the eyes. And I'm wearing the CWC. I'm pretty sure I've taken this watch every single time I've gone camping. I almost wore the San Martin Explorer homage, but my buddy who I'm camping with got super sick yesterday, so we cut this trip short by a day. And I was like, I mean, we're camping. I feel like you need to be wearing a field watch, right? And you can't mess with the CWC. Jeff, you can't mess with the CWC Sapphire because it's got the added water resistance, sapphire crystal. I mean, it's perfect. Earlier, it was dumping rain. We got soaking wet. Doesn't even matter with this watch. So, yeah, I feel like I need to be wearing... now, I feel like I need to get a marathon general, or what is it, the GPQ, the general purpose quartz, because it has the tritium lume on it. The only beef that I have with standard lume is when you're out here camping, after a couple hours, it is dead. I mean, it's dead within a half an hour. But the tritium lume will be going all night. Not like I need to know what time it is, because we're out here in the woods. Like, yeah. Other than our car and our tarp and the other people camping around us, there's nothing but trees out here. But at any rate, if I do need to know the time, in the past when we've gone camping, I've actually gone so hard that I do need to keep track of the time because I need to be getting to sleep before the sun starts coming up. So tritium lume in that case would have been absolutely necessary. But yeah, the CWC G10 Sapphire, absolutely perfect for camping. All right, we're gonna go through this crazy bag that we found in the woods. Oh boy. It doesn't smell good. Oh.
$5.99.
Yeah, is this a... Oh yeah, this site does have power, I think. So, okay. Ew. A sock.
What is in it?
Oh. Okay. Some lantern action of some kind. No, wait, there's a slipper.
There's 2 slippers.
Oh. They're small.
There's
Ooh, the odor. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, the odor's brutal, man.
Oh.
Look at this. This is pretty cool.
There we go.
I kind of want this.
Yeah.
That's pretty cool. Because you can put them over.
There's no wick or anything, though.
Well, you just have to get one.
Oh, man. That stink. Holy crap. You need to put those slippers back in there.
Yeah. Right?
Oh.
Oh,
No.
man.
Speaker.
Speaker?
Wow. That's seen better days.
Yeah, exactly. Never. Panda. Like this guy's taste in fast food. Or female.
Yeah.
Dress.
Or when to go.
You never know when you need some dress socks to go with your slippers. Or these ones.
Or when you need to polish your
When
shoes.
you need to polish your slippers. Goddamn. What's the charging cord?
Oh, wait. Oh, there's a torch.
Phone case. A phone.
And it works.
Phone case, a sewing kit. A glove. What in the world is this?
Oh, perfume? Cologne?
Cologne. Super glue?
Gotta have super glue.
I think that goes to the other cord. Soft. Fits the soft.
That's just weird leaving this here.
Another charger. Oh, yeah, it's a USB-C. No, never mind. It's not a USB-C.
Oh, look at this. We have a hair clip.
Okay, maybe it's a female?
Or a dude with a man bun.
Yeah, exactly. White. Some slightly bloody
Some
tape.
tweezers.
I think it's a man or a female. Look at that.
What is that?
Lip stuff.
Oh.
Right?
Whoa. This whole time I'm picturing like some dude junkie, but maybe not.
Yeah, here you go. Lavender cream.
Yeah.
Chick. Some
Either a like a chick or a metrosexual. Is that still a word?
seemingly tent stakes in here.
Yeah.
Never know when you need some tent stakes in your bag. Nasty old razor. Actually, it's new.
Not nasty. Brand new.
Yeah, I was gonna say I thought it was nasty, but it was actually.
So, leg shaver?
You know, the leg shaver, maybe? Or wherever else, nether region shaver.
Yeah.
There we go.
No, let's not think about that.
A remote to probably that.
Oh, okay.
Speaker.
Nope. Panasonic car audio.
And a triple antibiotic ointment.
So did this person have a car?
Yeah, I don't know. Let's go on this side. Not even sure what this is. Some kind of
Oh, a light.
light. Oh, there you go.
That's pretty sweet.
Cool. That back would be nice.
Yeah.
Here's some 3-in-1 shampoo, which I would argue, dude.
Yeah.
So, was it a man and a woman? A double?
Oh, maybe we have a couple here.
Uh,
Or a dude with a man bun.
dude for man bun. Do you use shea butter cream?
Yeah. That is the smallest. Oh my gosh, that is so tiny.
Smallest toothpaste tube,
Oh,
which he hasn't even used.
yeah.
Like, look, I don't think it's not even used.
That's like single.
Look.
Oh, that's like single brush.
Not even used. It's a virgin. It's not even a silver.
Boom. One use.
Here's the Gillette razor.
That
With the-
screams. That screams, dude.
That does stream. I don't even know if it does super. Let's go in here. The glasses?
No.
Or-
Nope.
Or some heavy drugs.
Nope.
Nice.
That's a problem.
Yep, that is a problem. All right, good. Well,
Yeah.
nice.
All right.
Yep,
That was fun.
that was fun.
Until then.
Yep.
Oh yeah.
All right.
Well, it wasn't entirely fun. That odor.
That odor was
Those slippers need to be like
burnt.
incinerated. Absolutely.
Yeah,
No.
that was rough.
Bro, you don't wear your slippers barefoot. Like, just slip on some socks
Maybe
first.
you don't leave them out in a wet bag.
Oh, yeah. Terrible.